Unbelievable. My cat gave birth in under the construction work. Look this place. This is very dangerous. Very dangerous. Always working here, heavy material, moving. But my cat give birth here for baby. New for baby coming. But I don't know why my cat coming here and give birth. Look, I'm bringing you and I'll show you how dangerous in my cat. How in dangerous. Oh shit. I don't know why this is moved here. Look. Someone put one, I don't know, someone put here box or it was here. My cat give birth in this box. Look. I don't know why. Why this cat come here? Why you come here? Why? I take this baby but it still is written here.